Are you interested in buying stores from the 1688 app and you don't know how to navigate through the app? Here's a video for you. So you'll be needing the Google Translator app, need the Google Chrome browser, your 1688 app, and of course your data. So what you need to do is to create an account with the 1688.com. Not you don't actually need to create from the browser, just create from the app, because you can also navigate with that access to your Chrome browser. So you just create an account, verify your account, and then you access your account. So it's either you are buying with a picture or you are buying with, like, you are using a text. So if you don't have the picture of what you want to buy, you are going to be typing the text in there. So for example, if you want to purchase stuff like eyeglass, okay, you click on it and it's going to bring out different varieties of glasses. But now if you have a particular picture that you want to use, you're going to be using this search button here. You're going to click on this camera icon, and then when you click on the camera icon, you select your image, and it's going to scan the image and bring out similar product, because sometimes they won't have what you need. Okay, so they might bring out similar product or exact of the product. Okay, so now this is where you need that translator app. So I hear some people say you can do without the app, you can't do without the app. You can actually do without the app if you have already gone through the app before. But now let's assume that you're a first time person, so you don't really know what to you don't know the option which is yes, because this is actually telling you that you should access your camera. So you don't even know what to you don't know what to, because you might end up clicking this, or what if it's something else that is not related to accessing your camera. So that's why you need the translator app. So this is what translator app does for you. It's going to translate this from Chinese to English. Okay, so what you want to do is to take a screenshot of this part of your screen. When you take a screenshot, you take it to your Google Translator app and you paste it there, and it's going to translate it for you. So let's quickly screenshot, so that when you're going to be seeing how it reads everything. Okay, so I'm going to screenshot this and I'll take it to the Google Translator app. And it's going to open up like this. Since you don't have a second phone, because what I actually use is my other phone in translating, so you're going to you're going to click on this space right here. So it's going to open up your gallery, and then you'll be choosing the screenshots that you took, and then you allow the app translate for you. So exactly like I said, this is what it wanted. It said apply for permission. In order to identify image search products, you need to read the album. You need to read the album to obtain. So you can say you can see that, imagine we just clicked on anything, we don't know what to click, and imagine if this was not actually the message that we were expecting, we would have just slept there. So that's why I suggest that everyone, even if you are a pro, you also need this app. So don't advise beginners that they do not need a Google. Everyone needs a translator app, because you don't know Chinese except you know how to write and interpret Chinese. So now what we are supposed to do is to click on to allow. So we are going to go back to the 1688 app, and then we are going to allow access to the Google Lens camera, so that they can search with the image on the app. So let's assume that you saw a bag on the internet that you want to buy. Since you have accessed your gallery, you just click on the image of the bag, and then it's going to scan the bag to bring out similarities or exact. So you can see these are the similarities of the bag. Okay, on the bag here, this is 130 yuan, this is 34 yuan, this is 26 yuan, and this is 13 yuan. So all bags are even of different styles, different it should be of different material, and so because one is higher, one is lower. You can see that this one of 6 yuan is actually different. This one right here is different. Okay, so now you have gotten this. Let's assume that you want this exact bag of 34 yuan. Okay, so there is no particular place here to translate this. There's no place here to translate it. So another thing I forgot to mention is your note app. So you need your note app. What do you do with your note app? Well, in case you don't want to use your note app, you can use your WhatsApp. So you have to just create a special group. That special group, that's where you're going to be pasting this link. So how did I copy this? This stuff right here, this stuff in black, I don't know if you can see this stuff. So I'm going to circle it, highlight it so that you can see it very well. So you're going to use your fingertips, like you just tap on it like you want to copy that. This stuff that appeared there is actually copied. You can see it translated. So it's going to copy it, then you go to your notes pad and paste it there, or your browse or your WhatsApp and paste it there. So now this is where we'll be needing to use the Google Chrome browser. So when you paste that, okay, let's just go ahead and paste that link there so that we can see further on the 1688 app. Okay, now that you have pasted the link on your notes or on your WhatsApp, so to get access to this page or to see more about this product, to get the write-ups in English, you then have to open this on your Google Chrome browser. And of course, your Google Chrome browser can detect different kinds of languages, so it's going to translate for you. So right now, I think the server of the website is down, maybe too much of traffic or so, because I tried doing it on my other phone and it's still not opening. So I wanted to show you how to translate on the Google Chrome. Then you see why you need to have the Google Translator app. So now that you have the Translator app, just take a screenshot of this page. But that Google Translator app, not the Google Chrome itself, will help you identify legit suppliers. So you need that Google Chrome access. Like you need to open this link. The reason why we copied this link and pasted it on the Notes browser, on the Notes app, is to access that link through the Google Chrome browser, so that we can be able to identify suppliers, see reviews of frequent buyers, because not everyone on this 1688 app is legit. It's not like Temu app that has or that Temu stocks their goods for you, but this China app is like it's of even Temu. Before you even buy from Temu, you have to see reviews before you buy. So that's how it is. You have to see reviews. So I just wanted to show you, but I think that the server is down. Maybe if I'm opportune when the server is up, I'll make that video for you. So now that you have known how to translate, I believe that you can be able to use the Google app. You can be able to use the 1688 app all by yourself. Another update is that you can now make payment with your Naira card and all of that. So I just made this video because I've been having so many questions, like people asking, do I know about the 1688 and all of that? And I was like, what's happening on this 1688 app? And frequently I've been seeing their advert. So I said, okay, fine, since you all want to know about it, let me just make the video for you. you people have already tagged me as an explorer, so I actually know about it because I do import from China already. So this is a video that will help you. And yeah, so that's just how to navigate through. I don't know if I talked about the text. Yeah, so let me quickly do that. So if you want to search with the Chinese text, you just have to go on your Google Translator app, and then you so when you are on your Google Translator app, you type what you want in English. Okay, so you type what you want, so you have to change this to Chinese simplified, and then you take this back to English. So when you type in English, let's say you want what are we looking for? Let's say you want flags. So when you type in English, it's going to translate for you in Chinese language, which is this. Then you copy this, right? So you copy it through this place, then you paste it back on the 1688 app, and then when you paste it back there, it's going to bring out all sales on flags. So you then have to check if the supplier, check the price, you check everything, and if it's convenient for you, why not you go ahead to purchase. So let's try with that text that we copied. So I'll just be going back, then I'll paste this right here and click on search. You can also search with English. Okay, so you can see the flags that is bringing is actually bringing what is this, conical flags and all these laboratory flags, but this is not what we want. That's because I typed in flags. So if you are typing, you make sure that you are precise, or if you are not precise, you go with English. So let's say we want food flags. So let me type in food flags. I actually typed in good flags, so let's say food. Oh, sorry about that. So food flags. So you should bring out so these are food flags. Then you can actually translate this by taking a screenshot of the page. Okay, navigate through, look for prices that are okay for you, and also look for clients, look for supplier. You can see there are reviews on these flags, but you don't actually know if the person is saying the flag is good or not. So that's why you need that Google Chrome browser. So imagine you had that Google Chrome browser. What you do is to copy this link and open it there. So you don't open it directly there, you just paste it on your notes or your WhatsApp, and then you tap on it and it's going to take you there. Then you open it and translate to English, and all these stuff that you are seeing here will be in English. But now we can't access it because the browser is not opening. Okay, we can't access it because the browser is not opening. So so let me try to screenshot this and then open it on the Google Translator app so we can see what these buyers are saying. So you can actually see what the buyers are saying, that the installation effect is not very good, the logistic is slow, and the refund is deducted 32 yuan for each installation. So you see that this buyer is not someone that you should even buy from. Okay, so this other person said the price is very cheap, very satisfied. So you just have to go through the reviews, and see if it's something, or if it's a seller that you want to purchase from. Okay, so I think that will be the end of this video, and if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.